It's the 8th of November and I'm now the proud owner of a Huawei E5785 modem. Now, what's so significant about this? Well, the first thing to note is that this black device here is the outgoing modem, which I'm going to gift to somebody who needs it. And why is it no good? Well, the main reason it's no good is that not in the UK, not in the USA, but in the current country where we're visiting, which is Poland, the 4G speeds are so fast that this device can't actually deliver the speeds that are possible, so it's going. This device, which is the replacement, which I've bought for a very economical 299 zloty, which is about 60 GBP, £60, is the replacement device, and it's a bargain device. I think they sell it at sort of cost price. It's cheaper than Amazon UK because they clearly want you to buy their local data SIMs, which I've also done. What's so good about it? Well, it's got a battery, as you can see. The battery gets put into the device here. You can see there's a micro, so it's not a nano and it's not a full size, it's the one that's in the middle size SIM. Put the battery in. It's got a USB connector, so the idea is with the cable that's supplied, or some other cable, I'm going to be able to connect that to my PC and realise the full potential of the 4G speeds, which are up to something like 250 megabits per second. I've already had about 250 on my phone, and now I'd like to have that sort of speed through the modem. So yeah, that's one way of getting the internet signal. The other way is, of course, that this device creates a Wi-Fi bubble. So it's got 2.4 and 5 gigahertz radios, unbelievably. Obviously, you can set up an SSID of your choice and a password appropriate to either SSID, and then this can wirelessly make an internet connection to your phone or otherwise computer. Since at a speed of about 250 megabits per second, you may not get that on the Wi-Fi. The idea is to use, for the PC anyway, this micro USB connection. I've already powered it on, and it's a standard 192.168.8.1 device. It comes up with a web server and you can just surf straight into it. It looks pretty much like the other Huawei programs that are available on much bigger devices. So that's it, that's the Huawei, let's check the box here, E5785 device. In Poland, where we're staying at the moment, it's about 299 zloty from an authorised Play reseller, and that's about 60 GBP. Okay, thanks for watching.